Create a Binance account with 20% trading fee discount and $600 voucher immediately. This is the best bonus code from Binance ever. Just enter this referral code, ONAOBSXG, in the referral code field to get a 20% trading fee discount and a $600 voucher immediately in your account. First, go to the App Store if you are using an iPhone or Google Play if you are using an Android mobile. Click on the search bar and search for Binance. Then press Install. Once downloaded, open the Binance app. If you are new, select I'm new to crypto. Enter your email address to register. And then click Next. Binance will send you an email to activate your account. Go to the email Binance just sent and copy the activation code. Copy this code. Paste the copied code here and select Next. The next step is to create a password for your account. Note that the password needs to be more than 8 characters, with at least 1 digit and 1 uppercase letter. For example, a valid password would be hello123. Then click Next. The next step is very important. To receive the 20% trading fee discount and the $600 voucher in your account, when you receive this notification, select Yes. Next, enter the referral ID shown on the screen. Ensure you enter the correct referral ID. Then select Next. Next, choose your country of residence. In this case, I choose Australia. Currently, Binance encourages the use of a driver's license, so this will be my choice. Then select Next. Next, we move to the identity verification step. In this step, you will need to provide information for Binance to verify your identity. Tick this box and then click Continue. Here, you need to enter the correct information about your name as it appears on your driver's license. Then click Continue. Next, select your nationality. In this case, I choose Australia. Then click Continue. Next, enter your date of birth. And click Continue. The next step is to enter your residential address as it appears on your driver's license. If entered correctly, the information will automatically fill in the remaining fields. Check if this information matches your ID documents. Then click Continue. The next step is to choose a verification document. Since you are using a driver's license, select it here and then click Continue. The next step is to take pictures of both sides of your driver's license. Note the following. Upload a complete image of your ID document. Ensure all details are readable in the image you upload. Ensure the document is the original and has not expired. Place documents against a solid white background. Then click Continue. Next, allow Binance to take pictures and record video. Then take a photo of the front and back of your driver's license. You have now completed the step of uploading verification documents to Binance. Click Continue. And finally is the liveness check step. This step will require taking a photo of your face. Note the following to ensure the photo meets the requirements. Maximize screen brightness, well-lit area, no glasses, mask, hat. Then click Continue. Put your face in the frame and follow the on-screen instructions. Done. You have completed all the steps to register a Binance account. Now for additional information, you can simply select the default options. Binance will then display the verification successful notification. At this point, your account is being verified by Binance, and typically, within 10 minutes, you will receive an email notifying you that your account has been successfully verified. After successful registration, Binance will ask if you want to receive notifications on your phone. Select Allow. Next, click on the Binance icon in the upper left corner. Go to the Reward Hub to see the offers you get after registering with my referral ID. Click More. Here are all the vouchers you have received. Here we have $200, $50, $100, $150, and more below, making a total of $600 in vouchers as I mentioned. Next, exit this section. To protect your account safely and prevent hacking, click on the small arrow in the right corner. Here, select Security. There are three most important sections you need to pay attention to: passkeys, email, and phone number. Currently, you can see the email section has been confirmed. Complete the passkey section to secure your account. Click on Add Passkey. Next, click on Passkey. Click Continue and perform the fingerprint scan. Done. You have successfully set up a passkey for your account. When you exit, you will see the passkeys section with a green tick. This means the passkey has been successfully set up. Next, set up your phone number. Click on Add Phone Number. Enter your country code here. In my case, I choose Australia. Then enter your phone number here. Then click on Get Code. A code will be sent to your phone, and you just need to enter it in this section and submit. Here's a detailed guide on how to register an account on your phone and receive a lifetime 20% trading fee discount and a $600 voucher from Binance. I also provided step-by-step instructions on how to verify and secure your account. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next videos.